Welcome to my clinic in Tijuana, Mexico. I'm here with
Elizabeth Testa.
Okay, now what part of the world did you come from?
I came from Georgia.
And a shout out to Angie.
Yes.
Yeah.
Definitely a shout out to Angie.
You rock, my dear. So now you've been here for what, about a week?
Yeah, but I came Monday.
Okay,
So
yeah.
a few days, yeah.
So what's your experience been like?
Well, coming here was very easy. I got picked up in San Diego at the airport, coming through. Everyone's been very helpful. I'm staying at the hotel, here at the hotel, which is very easy. It's just,
Good.
walking, obviously, walking distance.
You walk from the hotel to the hotel.
And everyone's been very helpful. It's the areas I find very safe. I go out to eat. A lot of restaurants across the street. I mean, like more than you think there are.
Oh, yeah.
There's a lot of good food. So in that experience, coming and staying has been very good.
And health-wise?
Health-wise, it was really interesting to go through all the tests and see sort of the results. It's always very interesting to kind of go through that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And what's neat is the tests that we do with the x-rays, live blood cell, complete blood cell count, I mean, all of the nerve scans, everything. We do them again.
Yes.
And you see structural and neurologic differences.
Yes.
Yeah, and because, you've only been here for a few days, and
yes.
I know it's fun.
Yeah, well, yes. So I've already had a few adjustments, which have been, yesterday's adjustments were, at the end of it, I was tired.
Oh, hell yeah.
I was tired.
Oh,
so
yeah.
I can't imagine how you
darling,
were.
we're creating inflammation. It levels the disc, and we have this automatic nervous system, stress or regeneration. Parasympathetic, the regeneration, is also rest, digest, and repair. And after the adjustment, because I never say, how do you feel? Okay, how did you sleep? And most people...
Oh, I slept very well.
Oh, hell yes.
I slept and went to bed earlier than yes.
And that's when the body regenerates. Yes. That's what we're doing. Regenerating the new body. Okay. Now, but you're doing something unique. I know you're following Angie and she's totally cool.
Yes.
But you're making decisions for yourself.
Yes.
You've got a plethora of drugs you could therapies you could take north of the border. And
then drugs too. and I refuse. Yes. I've had my condition for a few years. I've tried different ways, but I didn't want to do I did the normal way. It didn't work. A lot of things didn't work.
Okay, I know you're thinking, gee, I thought more drugs would work. No, and that's what I tell everybody. Where 4% of the world's population consumes 95% of all the drugs. If drugs actually work, man, we'd be the healthiest country in the world. Instead of over 70% of everyone in the country having a chronic illness or disease.
Yes. I have neuropathy in my hand. So, the drug of choice would have been something to stop, I think, signals to my brain or whatever.
Yep. That's ridiculous.
Yeah.
No, we're just going to restore the nerve supply, change proprioception. Everything's going to recover.
Yes.
And that's the neat thing, because when you're doing static and stress x-rays, you can identify where the problem is and if you can fix it. Basic stuff. What can you tell someone that's in that crazy drug paradigm, or they think their doctor knows everything?
Well, because I don't know. For me, because I don't think the doctor knows everything. So, it's very difficult. And I always question any sort of drug, not only just for me, for my kids, for my dog too. So, I question it all. So
now
the need.
Yeah, and that's what people do.
Yeah.
People who do research on their diet, their supplements, their kid carriage, their car, they won't do research on the doctor or their body.
Right.
Yeah.
And I think, I'm in my 60s, so a lot of people in their 60s are on medication. Like most of my friends are on medication.
I know.
And when I told you I wasn't on anything, you were like,
Oh, it's totally. When I'm at my other clinics, like in Bangkok, and I'll say, "What kind of medications do you take?" And they go, "Why would I be taking drugs? You don't understand. I'm from America."
Yeah, right.
And that's true. The average person over 60 is on 12 prescriptions every year, and I'm not taking any of them.
Right.
So somebody's making up for both of us.
So you eat well.
Eat well, sleep well, think well. That's it.
Yeah.
You got to move. You got to move your body every day.
Yes.
And you're moving a lot.
I do Tai Chi 3 times a week, so that's really important for me. And then I go, I walk I do weights at the gym, so I am active.
Yeah, and now you've got a whole bunch. We
now have more exercise.
ligamentous-based exercises.
Yes.
Nothing to strengthen muscles and bones, but they're all designed to change proprioception.
Yes.
Yeah, and with the leg swinging one,
Oh, the leg, yes.
that's a pain, but it works. It works really, really good. You'll like it. If you ever make it down here, or go to one of my clinics, you're going to see everybody gets cross crawl exercises, because when we do the adjustment, we're changing the brain's view of the body.
Yes. Also the one for the neck, the one for the back. Yeah.
I know.
It's all there.
So what can you tell people? Because if people in America are listening to this, they're in a crazy drug paradigm. I mean, luckily, it seems the tide is starting to shift.
Mm. But it has to be a mind shift for themselves. A lot of people are scared to go off their drugs, or not to do the drugs, or not to take the drug that's been recommended, and they have to also research other,
Yeah.
They have to feel comfortable with what they're doing. I'm comfortable with what I'm doing.
But darling, you're talking dangerous stuff.
Yeah.
Doing research, that just means the friggin' label of the drugs. Read
No,
that.
but not research, not the look beyond the drugs.
That makes sense.
Look beyond the drugs.
You mean your body's intelligent, adapting for a reason, and to address the underlying stressors? She's talking crazy.
Yes. my kids think I'm crazy.
Take care of yourselves, okay? You were built for this planet, and the planet was built for you. Your body gives symptoms for a reason. God bless you.
Thank you.
Good.